We offer all types of fence mesh welding production line and efficient manufacturing of fence mesh for all lot sizes. The wires can be pre-straightened and cut or fed directly from the coil. The newly developed pneumatic welding system enables more efficient manufacturing of fence mesh for stronger welding. The welding speed can reach 120 times per minute. The pulling system with a servo motor pulls the net more accurately and intelligently. We can design the machine according to your requirement, and welcome to contact us.